Welcome to Acer Rider. In today's video, we're taking an in-depth look at the all-new 2025 Harley Davidson Shovelhead. Over the next 8 minutes, we'll explore every facet of this modern marvel, from its storied heritage and cutting-edge design to its impressive performance and advanced technology. Sit back as we unravel the details of this revolutionary machine, designed to satisfy both traditional Harley enthusiasts and a new generation of riders. Historical context and heritage. The Harley Davidson Shovelhead name has long evoked images of power, freedom, and American ingenuity. Originally celebrated for its unique engine design in the 1960s and 1970s, the Shovelhead became a symbol of raw performance and unmistakable style. In 2025, Harley Davidson takes this legendary concept and reimagines it for a modern audience. The new model pays homage to its roots while integrating state-of-the-art engineering, ensuring that both longtime fans and new riders feel a connection to the brand's storied past. Design and aesthetics. The design of the 2025 Shovelhead is a seamless blend of classic lines and futuristic innovation. Harley Davidson has meticulously sculpted every curve, ensuring the bike remains instantly recognizable yet boldly distinct. The aggressive front end with its sharply defined contours and a reworked headlight assembly hints at both heritage and high performance. Updated body panels and a refreshed fuel tank design add modern touches that are both aesthetically pleasing and aerodynamically efficient. This careful balance of old and new is what sets the Shovelhead apart from its contemporaries. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Shovelhead lies a powerful engine that redefines what riders expect from a modern cruiser. Harley Davidson has invested heavily in advanced engineering techniques, resulting in a powertrain that delivers exceptional torque and responsiveness. The engine's refined internals not only boost performance but also enhance fuel efficiency, offering a perfect harmony between power and practicality. The exhaust note, a deep, throaty rumble, remains a nod to the past, yet it has been fine-tuned to meet today's noise regulations and rider expectations. Technological innovations. The 2025 Shovelhead isn't just about raw power, it's also a testament to modern technological advancements. Integrated digital instrumentation provides riders with real-time data, from speed and fuel levels to advanced diagnostics that keep the machine running at its best. Enhanced connectivity features allow for seamless integration with smartphones, ensuring riders can access navigation, music, and even performance metrics on the go. Additionally, adaptive suspension systems and improved braking technology contribute to a ride that's both safe and exhilarating. These innovations demonstrate Harley Davidson's commitment to merging traditional craftsmanship with the latest in motorcycling technology. Riding experience and ergonomics. One of the most critical aspects of any motorcycle is the riding experience, and the new Shovelhead excels in this arena. Every element of the bike has been designed with rider comfort and control in mind. Ergonomic seating and strategically positioned controls ensure that even long journeys are comfortable, while the responsive handling makes the bike a pleasure to maneuver in both urban and open road settings. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or embarking on a cross-country adventure, the 2025 Shovelhead provides a balanced ride that marries stability with agility. Market impact and community reception. With its launch, the 2025 Shovelhead is set to make waves in the motorcycle community. Harley Davidson's loyal fan base eagerly awaits this new model, and early reviews suggest that the blend of classic design and modern performance is resonating strongly with riders. The bike's appeal isn't limited to traditional enthusiasts, it's also capturing the imagination of younger riders looking for a blend of heritage and innovation. Industry analysts predict that the Shovelhead will not only reinvigorate the Harley-Davidson lineup, but also broaden the brand's appeal in an increasingly competitive market. Sustainability and future outlook. In today's environmentally conscious world, even iconic brands like Harley-Davidson are focusing on sustainability. The 2025 Shovelhead incorporates advanced engineering that reduces emissions without compromising on performance. This commitment to cleaner technology is part of a broader strategy to ensure that the spirit of freedom and adventure can be enjoyed by future generations. As Harley-Davidson continues to push the boundaries of motorcycling, innovations like the Shovelhead signal a promising future, one where heritage meets responsible engineering. Community and cultural impact. Motorcycles have always been more than just machines. They're a way of life. The Shovelhead has long been associated with a sense of rebellion, freedom, and community. With its 2025 iteration, Harley Davidson reinforces these values by offering a bike that not only performs exceptionally, but also inspires riders to embrace the open road. Social media buzz and community events have already begun to form around the new model, with enthusiasts sharing their excitement and planning meetups to celebrate this landmark release. The new Shovelhead is poised to become a cultural icon once again, sparking conversations and adventures across the globe. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2025 Harley Davidson Shovelhead is more than just a motorcycle. It's a celebration of legacy, innovation, and the enduring spirit of adventure. By blending classic design with modern technology, Harley Davidson has created a bike that appeals to both longtime fans and a new generation of riders. From its powerful engine and sophisticated technology, to its thoughtful design and ergonomic comfort, the Shovelhead is set to redefine what a modern cruiser can be. Thank you for joining Acer Rider as we explore this remarkable piece of engineering. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, news, and insights into the world of motorcycles, and get ready to hit the road in style with the new Shovelhead.